Chemical basis of life. Introduction to chemical foundations. Biochemistry is built upon fundamental chemical principles. Understanding the structure and properties of atoms, molecules, and chemical bonds is key to exploring life processes. Key topics: atomic structure and elements of life, chemical bonds, and molecular interactions. Water, the medium of life, pH, buffers, and acid-base equilibria. Atoms and elements in biological systems. Atoms, the fundamental units of matter, composed of protons, neutrons, and electrons. The atomic number equals the number of protons, and the mass number is the sum of protons and neutrons. Elements in living organisms. Major elements: carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen. They make up approximately 99% of the human body. Trace elements: iron, zinc, copper, etc., play critical roles in enzyme function and biological processes. Atomic structure: electrons occupy orbitals around the nucleus in energy levels or shells. Chemical properties depend on the valence electrons, which are involved in bonding. Chemical bonds and molecular interactions. 1. Covalent bonds, formed when two atoms share electrons. The strength and stability of covalent bonds depend on the number of shared electrons. Polar covalent bonds, unequal sharing of electrons, for example in water, H2O. Non-polar covalent bonds, equal sharing of electrons, for example in O2. 2. Ionic bonds, formed when one atom gives up electrons to another, resulting in charged ions. Electrostatic attraction between oppositely charged ions forms the bond. Example: NaCl, sodium chloride. 3. Hydrogen bonds. A weak bond is formed between a hydrogen atom attached to an electronegative atom, for example oxygen, nitrogen, and another electronegative atom. Critical in water's properties, DNA structure, and protein folding. 4. Van der Waals. Forces: weak, transient interactions between molecules due to temporary dipoles, fluctuations in electron distribution. They play a key role in stabilizing macromolecular structures. Proteins, nucleic acids. Water, the medium of life. Water's unique properties. Polarity. Water molecules are polar, meaning one side is slightly negative, oxygen, and the other side is slightly positive, hydrogens. Hydrogen bonding. Water molecules form extensive hydrogen bonds, leading to properties like high heat capacity, high surface tension, and high boiling point. Solvent properties. Water is known as the universal solvent because it dissolves a wide range of substances. Water's role in life: it's involved in transport, chemical reactions, and temperature regulation. pH, buffers, and acid-base equilibria. pH scale. pH measures the concentration of H+ ions in a solution. The pH scale ranges from 0 to 14. pH less than 7. Acidic, more H+, pH equals 7. Neutral pH greater than 7. Basic, more OH. Acid-base chemistry. Acids donate H+ ions, and bases accept them. Example: HCl dissociates in water to give H+ acid and Cl-. Buffers. Buffers are solutions that resist changes in pH by neutralizing added acids or bases. Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. pH equals pKa plus log of the ratio of A minus to HA, where pKa is the dissociation constant. Example: carbonic acid bicarbonate buffer system in blood. Macromolecular chemistry. Biomolecules. Organic chemistry in life. Biological molecules are organic and composed primarily of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and phosphorus. Functional groups, e.g., amino, hydroxyl, carboxyl, are important in determining the properties and reactivity of molecules.